I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. And I got yo, I cut myself so bad, yo. Alright, anyways, yeah, these things gotta come out. This is about to be so frizzy, yo. It's cool though. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna make it look sweet. I got to, cause that's the only thing I know how to do. Finesse.
With the folk, used to lock Glocks with the lights, now I prefer tops with the scope. You see the C with the note, that's it me, we do this for bro. Same bitch, it look like she go there, she said she fuck with her nose. Told her I got my mountains of snow, grab your skis and fuck with the slopes. That's gang a militant army, that means we deeper than most.
We just gonna work with it, I guess. I don't know. This thing not hit. It's not hitting. You feel me? What y'all think about this? Can I do this? I don't think I like this. This is a dub. It's ugly. I'm a weirdo. Let me see, can I? Hey, wait, should I do? Put the short jacket back on. And put this jacket on. So it's like black on black on black. Black on black on black. Racks on racks on racks. Racks on racks on racks. Hey, y'all know that scene from Ratatouille? He was like, I killed a man with this thumb. I'm such a cornball, dog. It's actually getting hot, so I'm gonna take this off first. Maybe I should open the window. Nah. So first things first, first impressions. I ordered these online, and when I ordered them, I thought they would be bigger than what I received, but we're gonna get into that. Let me just show you guys the case first. And it's a really nice case. Definitely high quality. Like, this is a really nice case. Like, I ain't gonna say I ain't never had nothing, but I'm not used to glasses cases. I'm used to like these kind of cases, because I usually go to America's Best for my glasses, so this is what they usually give. The case aside, it came with a microfiber cloth, a screwdriver to fit it if they break, and then the glasses. So let's just go straight into it, I guess. So these are the glasses that I ordered. And because I do wear prescription glasses, both myself and my brother picked these out, and I think they're still pretty cool. So yeah, I ordered them around Christmas time, and I thought I wasn't going to get them until like 2 weeks into the new year, but they sent them like the day after New Year's. So that was, I think I actually ordered it the 24th and they got here the 2nd. So that's pretty good shipping. As far as glasses, alright, let me do the negatives before the positives. So they're kind of thin, as you can see. As you can see, they're pretty thin, and the quality is good, but it's not like something you would get at like Lens Crafter or America's Best. Like, it's alright. I'm not gonna say it's subpar, but it's not the highest quality glasses I've ever had before. Everything else is pretty good. My only other problem is that everything is online. I mean, it is an online optical store, but the only problem with that is that if you do want prescription glasses, you would have to get an eye exam. So it's like going to get an eye exam and then going somewhere else to get glasses. You can probably get that in the same place at the same time. And yeah, like I said earlier, I thought they would be bigger when I purchased them because the way they sit on my face, if I put them all the way up here, they look too small for my face. And they're the same size as my actual prescription glasses, but these fit better than these. So when I wear these, I wear them lower than the bridge of my nose. Well, that's not the bridge, I don't think. I wear them lower than here, just so that they can look a little bit better. And I usually only wear them with my hair down because I don't like how it looks with my hair up. I should have never even touched my hair, yo. I should have never even touched my hair. Okay, so as far as positive for these glasses, there are a lot, I will honestly say, as far as like the glasses and the company in general. So first things first, I already spoke about the case. This is a very high quality case. I really like it. It's very protective, but I'm not here to review a case. They have excellent customer service. I didn't have any issues, but I kept emailing back and forth to get like clarification on certain things, and they would email me within like 24 hours, even on weekends. Like, it was crazy. I really didn't expect that good of customer service from anybody. Like, on a scale from like 1 to 10, they was at Chick-fil-A, to be honest. This is a really nice frame. Like I said, the quality isn't amazing, but it's really nice for the price that it was. Like, it's a very nice, it's very like budget friendly. Like, it's a good frame for its price. A good pair of glasses for its price too. I didn't get prescription in these. I don't know if I said that, but I didn't get prescription, so the price that I got it for was really good. Also, as far as like the website in general, because everything is online, they do offer a lot of help and assistance for like picking out the right glasses for your face shape, prescription, how to measure your glasses, your pupil diameter, everything, so that your glasses do fit correctly. So that is like a plus. The only minus would be the eye exam, like I said earlier. They offer a lot of styles, and that's a really good plus as well. They really offer a lot of styles for good prices. So like, just because a place offers a lot of styles doesn't mean they're all good. I go to America's Best and I really find any glasses that I really like. Glasses that I have, I didn't really even like them either. So, you know, the fact that they have a lot of styles that actually look nice and it's budget friendly, you really can't beat that. The glasses are very lightweight, but that also comes from like the material, the quality of the glasses. They're not too expensive, so they're not going to be that heavy. But they're really nice glasses, and I really appreciate Firmoo for sending these to me. If you would like to purchase some glasses, I will have a link in the description. If you buy from the link in my description, I do get, you know, like a little bit of commission for it. So help your boy out. My hair is such a dub, yo. Yeah, I didn't really have that many problems. They definitely compliment this look I got going on, you know. It's a very chill day, chill glasses. I had another look on when I recorded the first time, but this looks better to me, in my opinion. I'll show you right now the other one. So yeah, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. Thanks again to Firmoo for sending me these glasses. It was very nice of them. Obviously, I'm not the first review, but I feel like that was like a marketing tactic. Like, they get a whole bunch of people to review their glasses just to get their name out. It's a good tactic. I wish clothing lines would do that, because I would love to review some clothes for free. That's an idea. Somebody send me some clothes. Not for real, somebody send me some clothes. And also, subscribe. Or check out this video.